Welcome back. In this video, we will learn Zeitangaben mit am, von, bis. That is the time information with on, at, from, to. Häufigkeit means how often. Ich trinke jeden Tag 2 Liter Wasser. I drink 2 liters of water every day. Jeden Tag means every day. You can also say I drink 2 liters of water daily. If you want to say daily, then you can say täglich. Ich lerne täglich Deutsch. I learn German daily. Now let us learn how to use along with the day or time of day. Remember, Tag means day, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday until Sunday, and they all are considered masculine in German. Similarly, Tageszeit, that means the times of day, which is morning, noon, evening, and night. Except for night, all the remaining 3 are considered masculine. Only night is considered feminine in German. So how to say on a particular day or in the morning, in the evening, and so on in German? Ich arbeite am Montag. I work on Monday. Is a short form of an plus de, which is on the. I work on the Monday. In English, we just say I work on Monday without an article, but in German, it is mandatory that you put an article before any noun. So we need to say I work on the Monday. That is, ich arbeite am Montag. I work on the Monday. Ich lerne Deutsch am Abend. Abend means evening. We call morning as Morgen, noon as Mittag, evening as Abend, and night as Nacht. I learn German in the evening. Ich lerne Deutsch am Abend. Now we have Morgen versus Morgen. The only difference here is M is big letter here in the first one, and in the second one it is small letter. M capital letter means morning. If M is small letter, then it means tomorrow. Am Morgen trinke ich Kaffee. In the morning, I drink coffee. Morgen habe ich eine Prüfung. Tomorrow, I have an exam. If you notice carefully, M is again capitalized here. This is only because it is in the beginning of the sentence. So the same sentence could very well be written as Ich habe morgen eine Prüfung. I have tomorrow an exam. Next up, about evening and night. Abend und Nacht. Grillt Fisch am Abend. He grills fish in the evening. Grill parties are, by the way, very common in Germany. Ich schlafe in der Nacht. I sleep at night. If you notice carefully, I said am Abend. Am means an plus dem, indicating that Abend, that is evening, is considered masculine, whereas it is in der Nacht. Night is feminine, and that's why in der Nacht. Since we haven't learned the dative case yet, it might be confusing to see der here, and still I say that Nacht is feminine. But don't you worry, we'll learn the dative concept in the coming videos. Geburtstag und Datum. Geburtstag means birthday, Datum is date. Wann hast du Geburtstag? When is your birthday? Ich habe am 11. Mai Geburtstag. I have my birthday on 11th of May. Now we'll focus on the usage of im. Im means in dem, that is in the. And it is often used along with month or even the Jahreszeit, that is the season. For example, in January, in summer. Ich habe im Mai die Prüfung. I have the exam in May. Im Mai habe ich Deutschunterricht. In May, I have German class. Similarly, you can say, im August fahre ich nach London. That is, in August, I traveled to London. Similarly, you can say, im Sommer fahre ich nach Schweiz. So that's the way to use im along with season as well. Now, how do we ask exact time in German? Uhrzeitfrage. Wie spät ist es? It literally means how late is it? But it is nothing but what time is it? The other way of asking time is wie viel Uhr ist es? Again, it's nothing but what time is it? But literally it means how much hour is it? And the simplest way to answer is es ist 3 Uhr. It is 3 o'clock. Now when it comes to saying time, it could be official and unofficial. Offizielle Uhrzeit means the official time which is followed in all the public places like Bahnhof, that is the train station, or Bushaltestelle, that is the bus stops, and so on. And the way to say official time is quite easy. For example, es ist 14:57 Uhr. It is 14:57. Vierzehn is 14, and then 57 means 57. So 14:57 is nothing but 2 o'clock with 57 minutes at noon. Similarly, es ist 15:23 Uhr. It is 15:23. So that means it is 3:23 at noon. Now we will learn the inoffizielle Uhrzeit, that is the unofficial time. Let us first know the four terminologies. Viertel means quarter, that is 15 minutes. Halb means half, which is 30 minutes. Then we have vor, which is for, that is before. And then nach, which is past, that is after. Ganze Uhrzeiten. Es ist 3 Uhr. It is 3 o'clock. Es ist 7 Uhr. It is 7 o'clock. So here the minute is 0. It's just the hour we're learning here. That was quite simple, right? Let's move on. Now let us understand how to see the minutes. Nach means after. Vor means for. Es ist 7:10. It is 10 past 7. That is, it is 7:10. Es ist 8:10. It is 8:10. That means it's going to be 8 in 10 minutes. Now let us learn the usage of Viertel und halb. Viertel means quarter, halb means half. Es ist 7:15. Nach means past. So it is 7:15. That is, it is 7:15. Es ist 7:30. Halb is 30 minutes. It is 7:30. In German, whenever the minute hand is 30 and above, we increment the hour by 1 and say. I mean, it sounds weird, but that's the convention followed. So if you want to say 7:30, you need to say 7:30. Es ist 7:45. It is 7:45. That means it is 7:45. Now let us learn the usage of kurz. Kurz means short. Es ist kurz nach 7. It is just after 7. Maybe it is 7:1, 7:2 or 7:3 like that. Es ist kurz vor 8. That is, it is just before 8. So maybe it is 7:57. Then we have halb plus vor oder nach. Vor means for and then nach means after. Es ist 3:05. It is 5 minutes before 2:30. So again, as I said, the moment we are talking about halb, that is 30 minutes as reference, then you need to increase the hour by 1, and that's why it is 3 here. That is 3, even though you mean 2 o'clock. Es ist 3:05. It is 5 minutes after 2:30. Now let us just summarize our learning. How do you say 7 o'clock? Es ist 7 Uhr. 7:03. Es ist kurz nach 7. 7:10 as es ist 10 nach 7. 10 past 7. 7:15 as es ist Viertel nach 7. 7:20 es ist 20 nach 7. 7:23 es ist 7 vor halb 8. As I mentioned, the moment you take halb, that is 30 minutes as reference, then you need to increment the hour by 1 and say, and that's the convention followed in Germany. If it is 7:30, you need to say es ist halb 8. 7:34 is called es ist 4 nach halb 8. When it is 7:40, you say es ist 20 vor 8. It's 20 minutes for 8 o'clock. 7:45, es ist Viertel vor 8. It's 15 minutes for 8 o'clock. I hope the things are clear now. Let's learn the usage of is nothing but at in English with respect to time. Der Kurs beginnt 9 Uhr. The course starts at 9 o'clock. Wir treffen uns 5:30. We meet at 5:30. And the usage of von bis, that is von to, that is from to. Der Kurs is von 9 bis 11 Uhr. The course is from 9 to 11. Ich arbeite von Montag bis Freitag. I work from Monday to Friday. So in summary, the usage of that is on the. Anna reist am Montag nach London. Or Anna reist am Abend nach London. Then the usage of im, that is in the. Max macht Sport im Winter. That is at. Peter kommt 10 Uhr an. Peter arrives at 10 o'clock. Von bis, that is from to. Marie arbeitet von 9 Uhr bis 18 Uhr. Mary works from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the evening. So that's it in this video. Vielen Dank. Schönen Tag noch. Tschüss.